Okay, so still on chapter 4D. Now is 5. This one I just copy lah. Since like that, I can just copy. Actually, I don't have to copy. I can just factorize from here. Now let's start. How many terms are there here? 4 terms, right? So 4 terms means I will do the grouping, right? 2 by 2. So usually we will start which two first? Now's the time for you to talk. Usually you start which two first? Is it the first two, or the second, third, and third, or the last two? First two. I'll start the first two. Do I need to copy the question on the board? Is it too small? Can see? I try the first two. First two, what do I take out? X. Aisha? X square. Y? 1. Very good. So I take out x square because both got x square. I take out y because y squared is only y. So I take out 1 only. So Jess, what do I write inside? First one, what do I write? No. First one, you aim the first one. So if I take out x square, still got x square? No. You see, x square, I take out x square, I take out everything. Y square, I take out y, left how many y? 1y. So Jess, how you understand is, if you were to do expansion, this times y times y will give you y squared. Try again. This times what number will give you negative 5x squared y? Negative 5. Any alphabets to go with? No, that is correct. Can you understand the first one? Okay, let's try the second one. Chloe, I have minus 5xy squared plus xy cubed. What do I take out? Uh-oh. Okay, I tried myself. This way of doing the answer is very long. Can I show you a shortcut? Can I write down the shortcut? Can I? Okay, so this is the shortcut. So can you take out a red pen and write down? You should try to factorize all common factor first. Shall we try that? I use my green pen since this is like doing correction. Can we try the first one? Okay, let's do together. Hafiza, here got x square, y square, x square, y, xi square, xy cubed. How many x is common in all the 4? 2. X square. Do you agree? Is it x square? Here got x square, here got x square. Here don't have. Here only got what? X. So how many x is common in all the 4? 1x. Agree? How many y is common in all the 4? 1y. Agree? So can you help me to take out xy and write down all the 4 terms inside? Who don't know what I'm talking? Okay, Ashraf, can you help me? X square, y square. I take out xy. Lisa left what? First one, where got number? There's no number. X and y. So xy times xy will give you x square, y square. Can you follow? So here is xy. Can you follow? Let's proceed to the second term. Minus 5x square y. So this is xy. Ashraf again. Ashraf again. If minus 5x square y, I take out xy, left how many? Minus 5x. All agree? Because there's no y already. Y take out already, right? So this is minus 5x. Third one, minus 5y. Last one, plus y squared. All can follow? Oh, okay. Okay. Now can we do the 2 by 2 now? Okay, so I try. Notice that I upgrade the bracket to square bracket because inside these two, I will create a round bracket. X, Y, and 5x, what is common? X. So what do I write here? X, bracket, there's something inside. It looks like it's very complicated, but if you do step by step, actually it's very easy. Hadi, can you tell me what is inside the bracket? X, Y, I take out X, left what? Y. Minus 5x, I take out X, left what? Minus 5. So this one is just Y minus 5. Do you agree? Is it easy? Now Nisa try. I got minus 5y plus y squared. What do I take out? Y. So I try. Plus y. What do I write in the bracket? This is minus 5y. I take out y. What do you left inside? I always put plus first unless later become minus. Then I see how. Even though this is minus, right? I always have to put plus first. Then I see later I need to change this sign or not. Understand? Because plus is less messy for me. If you put this minus later on here inside got to change one. Usually if you put plus, the sign can follow. Let me explain. Nisa, what do I put in the first term? 5 is wrong. 5 is wrong. Instead of 5, it should be negative 5. Jolie, why is it negative 5? Because negative 5 times y is negative 5y. Do you see that I didn't have to change the sign? This is negative, this is negative. But if this is negative, this got to change positive. So it's a bit more complicated. Can follow? Negative, yes. Then here got to change positive, otherwise it's wrong. Okay? Now, so Nisa, try again. Y squared, I take out y, left. Y. This is a plus, usually I can copy the sign. This is plus. So far, okay? Okay. Look at the two brackets here. Let me highlight. Are they the same? I have minus 5, I have minus 5. I have y, I have plus y. So are they the same? Even though look different, but they are the same, right? So what can I do? Can I factorize out? Can I factorize out? So xy remain, square bracket remain, y minus 5 remain. What is left here? Amelia? X minus y times x. I take out y minus 5. Sorry, y minus 5 times x. I take out y minus 5. Left what? X plus y. In exam, can expect this to be 4 marks. Okay, I try to use color coding to let you see what am I doing. How to factorize all common factor? When to use it? When you look at the question, everyone got x. X, 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 x. I look again, everyone got y. Y, 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 y. So I take out the common thing first. If don't have, then cannot. Then take out x. Yes. Okay. Daryl question, I will explain using the textbook question. Can you all tell me whether you have... Okay, some of you are still taking down. Can you finish taking down this? All done? All done. Can I shift to the textbook question and zoom in? Okay, now Daryl got one question. Can we help Daryl to answer? Because this is a very good question. All of you got perfect eyesight or not? Justin, what is this? Okay, good. Now, I got a question. Can I factorize A throughout? Answer is no. Why? Got A, no A, no A, right? So this one cannot factorize throughout. Now you understand? Grouping, like 2 by 2. Do this two first, do this two first, and see what you can do. Let's look at C. Got X, got Y, got Y. Then got no X, cannot eh? Can I take out Y? Don't have Y. Got Y, got Y, got Y. So cannot take out Y. So how? Do grouping. Do 2 by 2 first. But just now the question 5G, what happened? So happened that everyone got X. See? Got X, got X, got X, got X. Got Y, got Y, got Y, got Y. Then therefore, I take out XY. All clear? Any more questions before I stop the video? No. Okay. Right. Can you write your index number?